everyone, it's Christine. So today's video is going to be a quick MUJI unboxing. MUJI was kind enough to send over some products for back to school. Everything that is shown in this video is considered one stationery set. And I'm also happy to announce that I'll be doing a giveaway with MUJI. So details on how to enter will be in the description below. I will be hosting this giveaway on Instagram, and I think I will have the giveaway post in the description as well. I wanted to upload this video just to show you guys everything that is included in the stationery set. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!